Second graders, welcome back to art class. So if you joined art last week, you probably learned how to draw the 3D shapes. So we learned how to draw a sphere, a cylinder, a cone, a cube, a rectangular prism, and a pyramid. Am I forgetting any? I think that was it. So we're going to go through, we're not going to do all of them, but we're going to start off by drawing some objects that are a cylinder shape. So I thought of a couple: a bucket of water, a glass of water, a coffee cup, or a cup with maybe hot chocolate in it or something. So I'm going to show you guys how to draw these. If there is some other cylinder shape that you would rather draw, you can do that as well. You can add it to your drawing that we're doing, or you can do that one on your own. So I'm going to get you started in showing you how to do this. Okay, so just grab a piece of paper and a pencil, and we will get started with our cylinder shape. Okay, so I'm going to put my paper horizontally so I can fit a couple different objects on there. Okay, so the first one that we're going to do is the bucket. So we'll do these together. So again, starting with a ellipse. Okay, so last week we talked about an ellipse. It's a sideways, like laying down flat oval, and this is going to allow you to see like inside the bucket. So this is like the top of the bucket. That's going to be the inside. Okay, so then the sides of the bucket are going to go down, slightly inward, just to show that the bucket's like a little bit slanted. Okay, then the bottom of the bucket is going to be curved. And then there's going to be two little loops on the side of the bucket, like that, and that's what the handle's attached to. And for the handle, I just drew a curved line connecting those two little loops, just like that. Let me zoom in a little bit here. Okay, so that's actually your basic bucket shape. Totally looks like a bucket. There's not much else you need to do except add some little details. So I made mine a bucket of water. You could make yours a bucket of whatever you want. So for the water, I just kind of drew a little wavy line inside there in the middle of there, so it looks like it's filled all the way to the top. And then I drew a little droplet there. And then I drew another little droplet to make it look like it's kind of like dripping out. And then also little droplets on the ground to kind of give it more of that detail. Okay, so there's the first one. The other cylinder shape that I drew was a glass of water. Now you could totally make yours a glass. You can make yours a glass of milk. You can make it a glass of juice, whatever it is that you want. So this one, same thing. We start with the ellipse, and then you're going to draw your lines down. I usually make mine just going slightly in, just a little bit, so not like totally straight down. I make it go slightly in, and the reason is because I think a lot of glasses and cylinder shapes are kind of like that, except for cans. A can is not like that. A can is usually straight down. Okay, and then again, the bottom is a curved line connecting those two. And then to make it look like it's clear, I drew a curved line in the middle, like that, and then another curved line the other way, like that. And then inside of there, I just kind of drew like little wavy lines, so that looks like the liquid's like halfway full. And then inside of there, I did draw a straw. At the end of the straw is another actual cylinder, so I drew the little ellipse there. And then I drew it going down and into the water, just like that. So then the part that you would need to erase would just be this one little line right there to show that the straw is overlapping the the water because it's inside the water. Okay, and that's basically it for that one. And then the last one is the coffee mug. Same thing, ellipse. And then for the coffee mug, you could actually draw it straight down. I think it actually is usually straight. Then underneath the curve again. So the very beginning of these are always the same. Then I just kind of drew the little handle here. Make sure you give it a double line so you can hold it. And then inside of there, you're going to draw a line, curved. And then this could all be your hot chocolate or your coffee. Kind of shaded in there. Draw your little steam coming up. And then you can always decorate your coffee mug or your mug however you want. You guys could think of any other cylinder shapes. You could do like a can of pop or a can of soup or something. You could even do a water bottle if you want. Totally up to you guys. So then once I was done with that, I did outline mine and I colored it in with crayons just to kind of show those details. So today we were working on a cylinder shape using the 3D shapes that we learned about last time. All right, I hope you guys had fun with this project, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.